I think it's spun a bearing, so we'll listen. Oh, that turbo. Oh, that turbo noise. It's running good. Number 4 was knocking, and as you can see, I don't know if you can see, right there's a scratch. Right there where my finger stops. So that's knocking, that was why we pulled the engine, as you can see from this cat. Copper on it. That's why it was knocking. Right there. So yeah, bug it.